Okay, I'm gonna make spaghetti for dinner and then pack the rest for camp. So first thing is I don't like this. First thing is some onions. And we have a bunch of leftover. Make up some meat and ground beef, whatever it is, just in the freezer. Just take it out. I don't know what this pays. Oh God, I didn't see. And I have water boiling right there for the noodles or spaghetti. Spaghetti noodles. Yeah? On what? Okay. How about you go take a break, shower first? And you can do that. Okay? So that's, at least you're done with that part. Then you can be ready for camp tomorrow. No, draw off the shower. Huh? So what I usually do with my spaghetti, it's not really like the typical spaghetti with the ground beef. I just use whatever I have. The tomato sauce, more protein, fat, and less carbs. I need some butter. I need a knife for this, real quick. There. There's the butter. Then this was my meal yesterday. Some brisket that I didn't finish. This is so much, so I'm gonna just chop it up and put it in there. It was slightly chewy as well because I didn't cut it that thin, so I need to cut it thinner. We should have way enough for tomorrow too. I mean for camp. Might not eat it tomorrow, maybe. I don't know, it feels like there's a lot of food. Maybe I won't even use the chicken. Yeah, maybe no chicken. Because we have Italian sausage and ground beef. And we have this there. And we have ham. Sometimes I add spam. Just whatever. So, because protein fills you up more. And put the fat too. So that's why, like, I've been feeding them carbs and they're like get hungry already because carbs just burn away faster. What's going on? There's no fire. I wonder. Boil already. Okay. I should add a little salt in the water, actually, maybe. There. Salt, 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 salt. I hope I finish in 30 minutes. I should have cut these smaller, but I don't know. I just forgot. I mean, I've been doing it like this for a while. Sometimes I don't remember like what the actual spaghetti is supposed to taste like. Is that like insulting? Do you think that's insulting the original dish if I'm not making it the right way? Maybe it is insulting, huh? Like, yeah, I get it. Like, what was he, Uncle Roger? He'll like talk crap about people who can't do fried rice correctly. It's like kind of like that, isn't it? Like, I can't believe you just messed up our dish. Today there's like so much going on. Like, I still have tacos I gotta do. Like, I haven't even made the tacos. And then we're still cooking the brisket in there. That's for the tacos for later. So I'll finish this, and then I have to, they can eat. And then I'll do whatever I can after that. I guess I'm done with like feeding the family. At least that's responsibility is done with. But I still have to pack for a camping trip. The food part of it, like right there, that container right there, like that big container there. I need to pack it. Put all the things I need in there. Okay, let me chop this up. I only wonder if like if I put that in, they would even notice or not. Maybe I'll just put it in too. Really thin. This is like ground beef basically. How much time do I have left? Okay, I have some time, like I should have blended this. I was thinking to blend it, but I didn't want to wash. So that way, you know, at least we don't waste anything. So before I go on the trip, this is all done. This morning I made croissant with some Swiss cheese. Some Swiss cheese with that. Okay. Trying to do this fast. I feel like I'm running out of time. I might add the, yeah, I might even add it in there. I don't think they'll notice. I mean, this is the cauliflower mash. But they wouldn't know. They wouldn't. What, I added in first? Should add this one in and this one. Ground beef. Add it in there. And this, we're gonna cook this up. Need to take that away. I shouldn't have added the beef in yet because like there's not even need it. Oh. Okay, so this is done. Oh, there. And then I might as well finish this too. So that brisket, I forgot to add taco seasoning, so I'm gonna do that later. I can't believe I forgot it. What happens when you're in a rush? It's a good thing we can always fix our food. It's so hot. So I don't have any seasoning yet, but mostly it's gonna be, you know, like salt and mushroom seasoning. Oh. There's a lot of meat. Look at that. I may not even need to put that in, but I'm gonna do that because I want to have enough for camp, so I can pack the rest for camp. That way they'll be full. A little camping, yeah. Cooking is fine. Just setting up everything to cook is annoying sometimes. I'm tired. That's cooked. I will add this in. There, now I'm going to season it a little bit. Salt. Always some salt. See mushroom. Enough. Look at my sauces out there, marinating. So once this is done, I'm gonna pour that inside this too. It's gonna be a lot of protein and less carbs. Let me taste it real quick. Yeah. Put this in. I feel like it's overkill, huh? Like a lot of protein. Uh-oh. Let's see, maybe I'll add a little Italian seasoning, and you should also add cheese too. Oh, this one. I think after you watch my cooking for a while, you kind of realize my cooking style, which is just like right now anyway, since learning about the carnivore diet, I've just been adding more protein as much as I can, reducing the carbs when I can. Well, I always can, of course, but trying to adjust to everyone's diet, like everybody's needs and wants. It's kind of salty a little bit. I don't know if I should add that now. I'm just gonna put this in, all of it. Might as well. Nobody would know. And then tomato sauce. Usually I do this. Oh, I better check on the meat, the noodles. But it's almost ready. And plus, there's cooks in here too. It's gonna get overcooked.
You?
He's sleeping. I saw him sleep. Matthew fell asleep. He was doing some cardboard project. Yep, so then I just add the noodles. Seems like so much, like it won't even really be liquidy now after I add that in. Be like kind of a thick spaghetti sauce. Okay. Like to me, it tastes like spaghetti. But then, you know, like I've been cooking like this for a while. Sometimes I forget what it should be tasting like. I used to drain it, but no, you know what? This time, oh, it's hot. How much time do I have? How long did this take? I don't think I'm gonna add the meat, any more meat. This feels like way more than enough. Gonna put it in like this, so that also has the starch. Hey, is that starch from the noodles? So then it's gonna thicken up also a little bit. So it doesn't seem like too much noodles now, right? Because we have so much. So I'll decide after if I want to put some meatballs or not. I might still. Maybe later on when I pack the rest, whatever's remaining for our camping trip. I'll probably put in a Ziploc bag or something, and then when it's ready, I'm just gonna pour it in this pot and cook it with the portable stove top. Yeah, I think that might be a good plan. This is my first time trying it like this, like cooking ahead of time and then just heating up instead. Before I would actually cook the meal there, and it was kind of like, it's a little, I feel pressure, you know, because I'm the only one cooking and then everyone's like hungry. So yeah, I'm just trying to see what's gonna help me reduce the level of stress, I guess. Not like a huge stress, but just like just feel like so much on my shoulder, like trying to get everything like cooked well and warm for them. There you go. I think sounds like maybe some meatballs. Yeah, why not? I have some meatballs in there. Yeah. Done. Just possibly this is like about a 25-minute meal, and it's gonna feed a lot. I don't know if that was a good idea to take the noodles out so early because it is not fully cooked yet, so I guess it's right now called al dente, but we don't like it al dente. We want it cooked. Let's see. That tastes good. I think this is perfectly seasoned because the kids like to add cheese later. Turn down this. They like to add cheese, so when they add cheese, it gets a little saltier. So I think it's perfect the way it is. Now, it doesn't even look like you have a lot of protein now. Look at that noodles. So you know what? Maybe I will add this. I'm gonna add it in. This one is not cooked fully yet. It's still cold. Yeah, I'm just gonna add it in. There. Oh, that's done. Cool. And we have a little bit of sauce left. What is not? This in the bottom. Just warm it up. Whoa. Basically, this is chicken teriyaki meatballs, which they don't really go well with the spaghetti, of course, but I like to eat it, and kids like it, so I'm gonna put it in there for them. Keep them full. Turn up this. Heat it up. Damn, it's a lot. Let's see. Ooh, cheesy. Taste it. I think maybe some of that came from the cauliflower. I should microwave that instead. Oh no, it's done. Let's see. I don't think it's done. Cold in the middle. But that's pretty much our dinner. wait for it. Anyway, while I wash dishes then. But yeah, that's pretty much it.